clothing haul from Ross. So affordable clothing, I am all for that.
Yes, budget shopping.
Yes, I don't know any other word. All right, so just putting a caveat, we legit went to Ross separate times. I went like
2 different Rosses actually.
Yes, I went to one in Illinois. She went to
I
one
went to
in
one in the
Missouri.
city. Yeah.
Yeah. So are these? Oh my gosh, they are the same brand. I didn't even think about that. Okay,
Yeah.
so I actually wore these last night to our extravagant night out at Dave & Buster's.
What a good time.
So these are the jeans that we got ready, and here we go. I love them because they have like the torn up on the sides or on the front, and this is what the booty looks like.
This is my favorite part.
Yes. Okay, so she has the cuffed, and I have the what would you call that?
I don't know. It's like a
little slit. Yeah.
So these are the same brand. They're different, but because mine are a little bit of a lighter wash, and I have the little cuff, which I'm really glad it had the cuff because I cuff all of my jeans anyway because I'm so short.
Yeah.
It's so hard finding
Shorter
jeans when you're
bottoms.
freaking 5 feet tall.
So the brand is VIP jeans, and do you still have your price tag on yours?
I do.
I'm pretty sure they were like $14.
Mine was $13.99.
Yes. So we got these babies for $14.
$14 jeans. I'm about it.
I can't even.
Boom.
So I got one more pair of jeans. So I got these ones, and these are called, these are Levi's. Ooh, Levi's are so stretchy. So these are Levi's Strauss and Co. Mid-rise skinny cropped. That's what it's on right there, if you will. And these are just faded wash, and they're also cuffed at the bottom.
I love the cuffs.
I love them too. It's so important for us short girls, and
really
I got
is.
this for 13 buckaroonies, guys. You can't beat that. You can't. Jeans for $13.
About it.
All about it. I can't.
Amazing.
All right.
To the tops.
To the top.
I got 3 tops.
I got 4.
4. Okay.
You go first.
So, this top may look simple, right? Looks like just a simple black, it's cropped. But then, boom! Pearls down the entire arm.
I'm so all about those pearls.
Bitch, what? I saw this and I was like, need it, gotta have it. I wore this in our incredible, fantastic night out at Dave & Buster's. However, I didn't take the tag off.
I didn't notice.
So,
otherwise I would have told her.
This guy was only $11.99.
So, I took the price tag off of this one, but I know the price to this one off the top of my head. I wore this last night at Dave & Buster's as well. And it's just a cute, simple tee, but I really liked the mesh, almost jersey-like material. You can see right through it. Hello, I see
Hi.
you. I can see you. And it's just a super soft tank top, and this was $6.99. 7 buckaroonies, guys. I just cannot beat Ross's prices.
You can't. You really can't.
You can't.
So my next 2 are very similar, but they're different. I'm the worst. Like if I find something I like, I'm like, yep, getting it. But this reminds me of like, it's a little wrinkly, but it reminds me of J. Crew. You know what I mean? Like it's got the cross in the front, and then the back is longer. So it comes down longer in the back. Which I love that.
Yeah.
Because, first of all, leggings are pants. I think we've already discussed that. Leggings are pants.
Again,
so
2018 people.
Wear this with leggings, wear this with jeans. I like how it comes. Especially because, you know how when you got a little bit of a butt?
Or when
things are like this. It'll be like up here on my waist and like down here on my butt. And I'm like, okay. So, I love this. It's giving me real J. Crew soccer mom vibes, but I'm about it. And this guy was, again, $10.99.
$99.
Boom.
So I was actually inspired by Bree's Valentine's Day outfit, the off-the-shoulder pink outfit, if you will. I really liked it. So I actually got this baby at Ross, and it's off the shoulder, and it's gonna be perfect for like spring and summertime.
Yes.
I love it. It's just, look at So cute, the ruffles.
Love this.
And it's gonna go really well with like a pair of jeans or even a pair of like white pants.
Yeah.
But not after Labor Day.
It's so
So,
cute.
and this one was,
I'm obsessed with off the shoulder.
right? $10. So
$10.
$10.
That's it. This is not buttoned. I have a button down that is not buttoned. And then it's longer, so you tie this puppy up. Very Daisy Duke-esque vibes. And I love the buttons on this.
Are they snap?
Yes, first of all, they're snaps, so
Yes.
hell yeah.
Who wants the real button?
Yes, second of all, they're like little pearls. You can barely tell, but they're so cute.
Pearl
And this thing is so soft. So damn
Yeah.
soft.
Yeah.
And it was, again, $10.99. That's it. Shout out to you, Ross.
So I've got 2 more shirts. This one I bought specifically for work because I thought it was like a nice, fun. I want to say it could go for like summer, spring, or even a fall color.
Yeah, I was
Right.
thinking super fall. I was thinking with
Right?
like a red
with the
lip.
mustard?
Like,
yes.
I
Like
love
look at that. Ooh,
Yes.
yeah. Look at those lips.
Better work, girl.
You better work.
Sorry.
So I got this because these sleeves are gorgeous. Look at this.
I love those so much.
I love that. I love that detail on it. And
So cute.
it just has a little loophole in the back. Oh, keyhole in the back for the
Keyhole.
button.
I was trying to think of the word as you were saying it.
And it has the same on the other sleeve because why wouldn't it? So this was
Boom.
$10.99, 11 doll hairs.
Love
Beautiful.
it.
Last but not least,
This is so funny.
this is actually one of my favorites. And I just realized that it's very similar to what I'm wearing right now.
Very similar.
Like very similar. So first I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing this like cross tie at the bottom, see-through shirt. Look at that pattern.
Gingham.
I'm not so I got this on Black Friday. No, Cyber Monday. Charlotte Russe was like $3.
So cute.
Anywho, can't beat Cyber Monday, guys.
No.
Sorry. I got this shirt. Let me show you the back first. It has a little keyhole right there. Right there. And then the front, like that.
So cute.
Has cute little sleeves and it has a little tie at the bottom. But it's also that black and white checkered gingham pattern.
Yeah.
As well. It's not see-through like this one is. This one's a little translucent.
Yeah.
Fun
time.
but it's very similar. And
Yeah.
when I showed Brie this yesterday, she's like, shut up. I literally put that down because I was gonna go get it the next day because I said that it was too fancy for Dave & Buster's.
Yeah, I just went to go grab something like quick for Dave & Buster's, and you know, for this video I was just grabbing some little things, and I literally had that shirt in my cart until I got to the checkout, and I was like, okay, I don't need this right now, like I'll come back and get it. Mind you, 2 different shopping trips, alone, 2 different Rosses. She pulled that out and I almost died.
We're
I
on the
was
same brain wavelength, I swear.
telepathy.
So the price of this is $10.99, you guys. $11. You cannot beat it.
Sunglasses.
Ooh.
I forgot. Look at that ring light. I just got some gold aviators.
Aviators are a must-have, if you ask me.
Well, also, so I liked these ones because normally they're like, they come down like this long, and it's like like I have a little face. It's like all up on my cheek, and I'm like, can we not do that?
Yeah.
So these ones, oh.
We need to come up, so we were just talking about this, we need to come up with an invention of sunglasses that doesn't leave like the marks that when it sits on your nose.
That's annoying as shit.
Yeah, I have to powder my nose
Yeah.
if I wear my sunglasses for a certain amount of time.
These are only $4.99.
Ooh. $5. You can't beat that. I'm pretty sure we said that like a million times in this video, but you can't beat it.
You can't.
You just can't.
I'm not gonna throw these because I don't want to break them.
Yeah. I'll actually insert a picture of my shoes right here. And I got those shoes for $16.99.
They were super
Can you
cute.
believe it? I bought them specifically because I thought they would look really good with that blue off the shoulder shirt that I got. So we'll see. Yeah, Ross is really affordable shoes as well. I just love Ross.
I love
Ross. Like I said,
TJ Maxx,
yeah, TJ Maxx,
Marshalls.
Like
People
I said,
people like People shit on it all the
really
time.
overlook it, but come on.
It's amazing.
I got like 3 compliments at work today on this outfit alone. And it's bargain shopping.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yes. We had so much fun.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys liked the content today, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Love you.
Love you.